Glassdoor for Students is a free job search resource designed to meet the needs of today's college students. Our career community is here to help you find and research the latest internships, jobs, salaries, company reviews, and much more. First, make sure the career you're targeting matches what's waiting for you after graduation. Start your search with the Career Overviews pages. Pick the career path you're interested in, then find out average salaries, pros and cons of the job, what kind of education you need, and some of the top-paying companies. Next, use the Glassdoor for Students job search to find the job or internship that's right for you. Search by location, job title, or company to find an internship or entry-level position that fits your needs. Plus, with new jobs posting every day, you can set up job alerts so that the newest jobs are delivered right to your inbox. Finally, now that you've identified some jobs you're interested in, start getting specific. Check out some of the top companies recruiting new grads and see if they're a good fit for you by researching company reviews. Also, make sure to use Glassdoor's salary database to see what you can expect to make in your first year out of school. Then, prep for interviews by seeing what other people have gone through, including the questions you might be asked. And why not start now? Glassdoor is available from your laptop, tablet, or phone by downloading the Glassdoor app. By doing your research on Glassdoor now, you can start preparing for career success later. Glassdoor, helping students everywhere find jobs and companies they love.